I'm Christopher from the Jefferson Viking plant, taking a video about our 2-second lean that I did. So we have two black bins on each of the presses, and they have our mold clamps, ejection bars, and whatnot. But they were very disorganized. They had random stuff in them, stuff that wasn't supposed to go for this press and whatnot. So what we did to fix that problem was make these dividers and labeled the bins, and we did that on every single press, and we got rid of the excess stuff, so we only have the things in here for setting the mold, so we can get it all done in one go.